Hey everybody, Chester with the Old Deer Hunters. Got a quick one today. I wanted to show you a couple of products that I started using this year. One of them is permanent for stainless steel. The other one is for any kind of metal. But this is Birchwood Casey Barricade. It's a rust protection for firearms. Long-lasting rust protection on gun metals, parts, and surfaces. And I think this thing is a really good product. But I hunt a lot. I hunt animals with a very keen sense of smell, like deer and coyotes. And this thing does great on the rifles that I take to the range, but it does have a little bit of odor. And I got to thinking about it. I said, mostly all these different lubricants that go on rifles, they have an odor. We go to all that trouble about spraying, all kind of spray and having scent-lock clothes and staying downwind and doing everything we can to be scent-free. But sometimes we forget about our rifle. So the oil that we put on a rifle, stinks. It stinks to me. I know it's going to stink to a coyote or a deer. But I found something. I started looking after I noticed it. Outers. Outers is a great company. They make all kinds of products to clean rifles and for preserving your metal on your rifle. They have an unscented oil for your rifle. And I've started using it. I really like it. It did, I've used it for about 6 months here, and it works really well to prevent rust and keeps everything lubricated well, and it has no odor. I really like it. I'm going to continue to use it, but just thought I'd pass that information along to you. You might want to check and see how your rifle smells before you take it hunting. You have to give it a bath and give it some unscented oil from Outers. While you're here, subscribe and hit that little bell down there so you'll know when we come back again. We got a couple of good videos coming up about the Tikka Rough Tech rifle and also the Lupo VX5 scope. So come back and see us.